Hi, I'm Connor from JCC Lighting, and today I'm going to show you our commercial adjustable downlight range. One of the unique features of this fitting is the adjustable bracket. And with the adjustable bracket, it allows you to install this fitting in different ceiling mount options. The 18-watt adjustable downlight fits in hole sizes from 65mm to 205mm. On the back of the bracket, there's a measurement guide to help with the installation. To surface mount the adjustable downlight, what you'll need to do is remove the two spring clips from the bracket. Use the bracket as a template for marking the fixing points. The 18-watt adjustable downlight CCT comes with a colour changeable switch which has 3000, 4000 and 5700 Kelvin. The selectable CCT switch is located underneath the rim. Black, rose gold and silver options are available. To access the switch, pop the rim off and select the colour temperature. This is done beneath the ceiling and after installation. The adjustable downlight range comes in dimmable and non-dimmable with emergency options available. This range comes with a 3-year extended warranty which can be registered at jcc.co.uk. To find out more about the adjustable downlight range, please contact your local area sales manager.